Hello and welcome to Herman Hits the Road. This is
Ads.
and I'm Zoe. And we're taking a look back at some of our videos, aren't we, my love?
In this lockdown, we have to do something to entertain ourselves, don't we?
This is the best thing, isn't it?
So in today's video, we're going to take a look back at a video I made in 2013 when we went to the Peak District. Now, I say I made because Zoe's not in this one.
I had a lovely time elsewhere.
You went to a spa, didn't you?
Yes,
so
with your mum and
as
sister.
Zoe went to spa with my family, I took the boys, as it were, in Herman to the Peak District. So you'll see, well, I introduced everybody in the video, but you'll see, did I say it's 2013?
2013.
2013.
Very brave, isn't it? Because your dad's not very into motorhoming, is he?
No, he's a bit of a he's a bit of a grumpy one.
Yes.
But anyway, so it's my father and my nephew. He's probably about 9, 10, I think.
I think he enjoyed it, but...
Oh, yeah. So let's get on and have a smooch. Have a watch. Not have a smooch. Have a watch of our Peak District video.
Right, guys, I am in
October
Herman at the moment. I've just finished packing. And
quite late, isn't it, in the
I'm
year
going
to
on
go to
holiday
Peak District?
with my father.
That's Rain.
Colin.
There he is.
And my
He
nephew
looks all right
Jake.
at the moment, doesn't he? They both look quite happy.
This is going to be like
Jake,
a video
he's learnt to drive now. In fact, he's
because,
18 this year.
I think I'm going to lose sleep and get ratty, and I thought that might be funny. If I record this, it might be a whole lot of rubbish, and we get
Bit
on
close.
fine. And
You
whatever.
are. It's shaky a
But
bit.
the
It's the
thing is,
camera.
they both snore, and we all argue.
Why don't you cancel now, Ad?
So yeah, that's what I'm intending to do.
What were the positives?
We've taken our bikes, we got our fishing rods,
Oh,
might
okay.
even do a bit of fly fishing, don't know. And our walking kit and all this kind of stuff. So it's a bit of an adventure holiday.
That wall's
First time we've
completely
ever done
empty,
it.
look.
And I think it's going to be cool. Looking forward to it, big time. And where we're going is the Peak District, Castleton. So we've got some caves there.
You are a bit
and,
close to the screen, aren't you?
I'm probably holding it at a distance as
You
well.
haven't got
Really
your,
cool.
your
It's going to be really
technical stuff, your gadgets.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Herman.
first morning at the campsite. We arrived about 5:45. It was getting dark. Went to the pub, had a great meal,
It was a good
and
Which campsite is this then?
Castleton.
last night,
Oh, you should did
our
say.
first night,
You look a bit tired.
went asleep for
Tell
about
him
an hour.
my voice
Yeah.
feel croaky.
Woken up by a drill. Actually, it was Jake, but it sounded like a drill, like a hammer drill. And of course, the other ear had it as well with Dad. So I spent most of the night, next few hours at least,
You put him in
sharp
there
and
instead
digging
of
in
you.
the ribs and all that
Send
kind
him
of
to
stuff.
another
But anyway,
motorhome.
it's a gorgeous day today. It's a bit windy, and it's apparently going to be really, really windy. 80-mile-an-hour winds tonight.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we had a
We've
bit of
just
storm
had
coming.
our lunch, and we're going into the Peaks Cavern where the devil's arse is.
Devil's arses.
This devil's arse. That's what it's called.
Ah. So Jake didn't mind you taking photos and video of him.
No, I think he enjoyed it actually.
Ah.
What's going on here? Some wobbly videoing and low light. The camera's not very good for this, is it? It's gone all black and white. Look.
Ooh, flash.
So what do you think so far?
It's awesome.
It's awesome, is it?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Rubbish.
And how long did you go away? Was it a week? Was
Yeah, it was a week. Yeah. Can't really see what's going on.
No.
Well, there he is. Look, there's my dad.
His knees have
Looks
never
like a-
been good, have they?
Looks like a
Here's the
toad.
old man on his hands and knees.
Yeah.
So did you enjoy that? Was that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. What was your favourite bit?
when we got to the end and coming back.
That's a typical answer, isn't it?
Not going underneath it all where you had to crouch down.
Oh yeah, that was the funnest.
No, you were lucky you only had to bend your head.
Yeah, you didn't just do that, yeah.
I had to go
We were on
right
our
down
knees.
like that, and then I still hit my head.
Okay, we're on the next day here. It's Monday today. It's the day of the storm.
At least it's dry.
No
Oh,
storms, just lots of
It's
rain.
rain on my glasses.
Come out
How can you
here.
say that?
There's a bit of blue sky, but last night I had a better sleep with the snoring and the farting. But I wore some earplugs.
I bet you're glad you have
Bought some
me
earplugs,
in the
brought them up, put them in
motorhome
my
now.
ears. It was a lot better, even though I could still hear them snoring.
No snoring.
I didn't have to shout at them or dig them in the ribs or anything. We are
Okay.
currently walking towards Stanage Edge. Just climbed up some steep stuff. It's very windy. Here he comes.
Deep
Jake.
breathing.
Can you see
Oh,
them?
your mother, you made me climb this.
We're
Your
going
mother.
back down now.
I tell your mum and your mum, you made me climb this. Yeah, well, we bloody well made it.
We're at the top of Stanage Edge, if you can hear us. It's very windy.
Yeah,
Is
you're
it?
missing up people's heads.
And the clouds are coming in. It was very sunny just a minute ago.
And now you
It's
can
re-
see the rain.
And now there's rain coming in over there.
Yeah, it's really weird
Over
actually.
there. So,
We better make it.
it goes on further for a couple
You better
of
move
miles.
quickly.
But I don't think we'll be doing that today in this week.
Yeah, need a dead cat.
No,
Look at that.
no,
I can see the rain now.
doing it again this week.
We do. We go back
Our
to. Look at
campsite's
that.
down there somewhere in all that rain.
There's Herman.
There's Herman.
There's Herman.
Is that a proper car park down
Yeah.
there? Oh, okay. Oh, look, he's off
Right.
already.
It's just start raining. Right.
As you can see, it's a rainbow. Woo!
Mm.
Wow.
We have just had
A
our
one
first
pot.
dinner in Herman. This is a stew.
Oh,
What do you think,
Colin
Jake?
likes it.
You like it? Which is your favourite bit?
Twitter?
The chorizo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good. Well, I always think that taking photographs of food is pretty lame, but this was really good, so I thought that'd be a good idea.
It's a lot better with the wide angle.
Tuesday, the 29th of October.
He's looking.
So it's been
Son.
a few days. It feels like we've been here for a couple of weeks.
Phone going off again. Oh
I got a
dear.
lot bit more sleep last night, even
Is
though I only
Jake
had
all
one
right?
earplug in.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's supposed to be a really nice day today, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we might actually go on our bikes or even for a walk.
What, even Colin on
But,
his bike?
Yeah, we're just about to have breakfast, had our showers,
I want to.
and
I'm trying to
Jake
do
is
this.
making
Yes,
noise
you've
got a
changed
feeling of
your
school.
view, so you're
And,
further away now.
And so is my dad with his flatulence problem. So I thought I'd come out here and do this. Speak to you later. Bye bye.
The morning of Wednesday.
Why you had to say
and
that on
we're going
camera?
to Speedwell Cavern, which is a little cave, man-made, I do believe. And you got a little boat underneath a very narrow tunnel.
Oh yes, I remember
Looking
going
forward
on
to
this
it?
another time.
Yeah. You probably get claustrophobic. Claustrophobic though.
That's a new word, isn't it?
No.
No? Oh, okay. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. And just look at that scenery.
That is amazing. Here he
Oh,
comes.
fart.
There's Herman.
Oh, fart!
Struggling Colin.
That's where we walked. That's where the house was.
Herman is
Just
on the
there,
side
yeah.
of the road.
And then we walked all the way up the path.
Around there,
As you can see,
around
there's
the other side.
probably there's like a cave up there.
This is Mam Tor. And
It
that
rained a lot.
is Track Cavern.
Mountain
Yeah.
goat territory.
And that's what we had, what we walked on yesterday, which I'm getting
Ah.
complaints left, right, and Chelsea about.
Right. Yeah.
And
Yesterday
there's
rained
landslides.
a lot,
Mountain goat country, that is.
and that's why no
Let's
video
go
was
down
this
taken.
mountain
Come down to
goat.
the Speedwell Cabin now.
There's the confusing one when I kind of go. The remains of an 18th century dish led by. Now officially.
Who chose all the trips? Was it you? It sounds like you. You were getting to go up the hills.
Well, I suggested.
Yeah.
And then
20 years.
They went along with it. Did Colin have any ideas where he wanted to go? I suppose he hasn't been to the Peak District before, has he?
that was the impression of my father, by the way.
Because we did this, didn't we?
Yeah.
What?
It's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Spooky.
That's weird how the clouds coming up.
Huh?
It's weird how the clouds coming up. You can see it.
Yeah, misty.
You don't spend very long on that little bit, do you? And then you go back to those. Not very high above your heads, is it?
No, you bang, look like there, you bang the head. Oh, it's another boat. You can hardly see that.
Yeah, a bit dark.
Thursday,
Another
the
walk.
31st of October, and we're off on another walk to Stanage
Oh, you're going
Edge.
back again.
That's it over there. We're behind that hill. What's that coming over the hill? Is it a monster? Is it a monster?
He's got his binoculars. So he's,
And his chewing gum.
yeah. He's got
No
the
reaction.
part.
Right, we have arrived on the top of Stanage Edge, and we've got still a long way to walk yet.
It's making me feel cold.
But there you go, we're back up here. The weather looks a bit better than it was earlier, wasn't it? Earlier in the week.
Beautiful day.
So you're in the same part that you were
Yeah, I think we
before.
walked a lot further. I mean, the first time we went there, we just like kind of got to the edge, and then that was it.
Posh boots.
Oh, we've been in there. Remember this?
We are
Yes.
in Robin Hood's cave on Stanage Edge, and basically, let's show you this. Stand there. It's a little cubbly hole.
Terrible camera.
People used to hide out and get away from the weather.
You've got
And there's Mr. Leach. He's taking a photograph of a rock.
Have you noticed what it looks like in there?
Yeah, so we had to walk through that
Show us then.
to get to that little alcove.
Going back now.
You can't go all the way through though, can you? This
Yeah, it leads out where my
Oh,
dad
that's
was.
it?
Yeah,
Ah.
you had to
Don't
climb
your
up
feet
there
wet.
to the right there where he's going through and then up.
Oh, I see.
So we would have to, yeah, so that bit there, we would have had to walk down that, climb down that.
What's in there? What's something in there?
Oh, creepers.
Creepers from
Is
Minecraft.
that a big rock?
He was a fan of Minecraft,
Right.
the video game. Oh, there.
We are back at Herman after a walk. Book says 3 miles. And I'm having complaints now from Jake and Dad.
Keep this camera steady.
They've had enough.
Did you enjoy that? You fibber. Yes, you. Look at his smirky face. So did you enjoy that, Mona?
Bloody hard work.
I took a lot of damage.
It's only 3 miles. Cup of tea and a pork pie now. Cup of tea and pork pie.
They're bloody right. Oh yeah, because he brought back those.
Oh, here we go.
Well, it's been
Bakewell
raining
tart.
all day. It's Friday. It's gone past lunch now.
I think he quite
and
likes
we've
you.
been to
eh?
Bakewell, where they make the tarts, and we've had our fair share of tarts. Dad has brought about 12 large, big ones, size of steering
They are
wheels.
they were pretty
And,
large bakewell tart.
He's just messing me about at the moment. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, gee.
So yeah, it's a bit of a washout today. Later on, we are having a stew which we are making in Herman. This is what I got to put up with.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't think I could
it's
cope with that.
Friday. Help me.
Where's Colin doing? Oh, here he is.
Still, we could
Hi, what's your name?
Right, it is now Saturday, the last day of our holiday, and we're
Oh look, he's already
going home.
strapped in.
So, Jake, did you enjoy your holiday?
Yes.
And what was your favourite part?
God, he does think, doesn't he?
Probably all of it.
Oh, really? I was going to say, I thought you might like the walking.
No, I hate the walk.
No, you didn't. And what about you, my dad?
Well, I'm glad I'm going home.
Oh, and it was for 5 days.
Right, my
wasn't it?
son?
Your favourite bit? You're fishing.
Yeah, what fishing?
It was a bit too wet to go fishing.
Yeah.
So you enjoyed the walks then?
So that
Yeah,
fishing
it's
gear
like,
was
well, it's
useless.
That mountain goat pass.
Yeah, that wasn't
was not
nice.
very good. I like the caving,
All right.
Look, it wasn't raining.
but the
We
mountain
didn't
pass-
use the fishing
goat
gear, so
pass,
it's
no.
useless.
And then we had to go up all
What's he
over
doing
them
with his-
rocks. It was hard work for me. My knees weren't playing up. They were playing up terrible.
Really?
So maybe next time we'll do some fishing and more walking,
No, no.
and then probably
Do you think that?
I was going to say.
no, well probably
It wasn't
without
the next
Jake
time.
and the dad. What do you think?
Yeah, there never was a next
See you next time.
was
Bye
there?
bye.
No, that was it.
Yeah, you'd had enough.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, that brought back some memories.
Mm.
And seeing Jake, young as he was there, he's like going to college now, and he's
Quite
doing,
chatty.
doing his driving lessons.
And did you enjoy it? You asked Jake and your dad, did you enjoy your trip, or did you find it a bit heavy going? And
I did. No, I did enjoy it.
Yeah.
You know, the noises and the screaming.
yeah,
and,
but that's typical of.
that's
you
typical
lot,
of my
isn't
dad.
I bet you would expect that, didn't you? Really?
Yeah.
So
Oh,
it was
yeah.
a
Oh, yeah.
surprise. Yeah.
And we didn't get to. I used my bike. They didn't get to use their bikes. I
Oh.
just had to use my bike, so I went out. And that wasn't my electric bike, of course. That was my.
And did you
mountain
find
bike.
you had enough space for the three of you? Because I mean, with two of us,
I think
it's
so.
quite nice, isn't it? As, you know,
Yeah.
you can move about, but three, it's probably.
So
a bit
I
too
was.
tight.
I slept up on the
Oh, that's right.
overhead,
The drop down.
the drop down bed with Jake. And my dad,
Ooh.
he had the lounge area.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
the dining area.
So why
bed.
didn't he sleep in the lounge area? That would have been
Well, Jake-
better for you, wouldn't it, with the snoring?
What, Jake? Well, there wasn't really a lot of room once my dad had
Oh,
kind
I
of...
see. Spread out his legs.
Yeah. I did try and get Jake down there the first time, but first night, but no, he kind of...
Wanted to be with you.
they voted against me.
Oh.
But no, that was all right.
Looked like you had a good time.
Yeah, it was a good
though.
time. Yeah, it was a good time. So, if you enjoyed that reminisce flashback to one of our previous videos...
I don't think I
7
would've
years
coped.
ago. 7 years? Yeah, 7 years ago.
2013.
Then do give this video a thumbs up, and of course you can always check out the original video as well. I'll leave a little card for you to go and watch. If you've come across this video, this channel for the first time, and you think, oh, I might subscribe,
Wow.
then do please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell so you can get told when we release another video. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. Say goodbye, sir.
Goodbye. What's the matter with you?
I find that quite funny, actually. Yeah. I mean, you kind of knew what was coming up, but yeah, it always still
You
takes.
don't remember it all.
No, you don't remember it all. No. It was good though. Enjoyed that. Yeah.